Hello everyone, welcome back to the Craft Lab channel. This time we're going to take a look at an amazing project, a miniature Titanic ship made with details that make us shake our heads. Not just an ordinary miniature, but as if we were seeing the shipbuilding industry on a small scale. Can you imagine how cool it is? Let's take a look at the manufacturing process. Look at this, the initial process is already amazing. The wood is cut with great precision. One by one, the parts are arranged like a real ship assembly. This is no joke, my friends. From the hull to the deck, to the small details like the windows and masts, everything is made with such care. And what makes it even more amazing is that they built their own miniature shipbuilding industry. There's a small crane to lift parts of the ship, other miniature equipment, and even an atmosphere like a real dockyard. Wow, the hard work and precision really deserve a thumbs up. Now let's take a closer look at the details. Oh my, it's amazing. They even added small lifeboats, highly detailed windows, and best of all, the inside is lighted. It'll look even more real at night. And not only that, they also painted it really nicely. The colors are as detailed as possible to resemble the real Titanic. From the black hull, to the red lines, to the distinctive smokestacks. Wow, this is truly an amazing piece of handwork. Oh, look at this. They didn't even forget the smoke effect from the chimney. How? by inserting a flame heater into the stern of the ship. So when it's lit up, the ship will actually emit smoke, just like the real Titanic. It's a whole different level. They've thought about it to this much detail. Well, this is the part that kind of makes my heart mixed up. Such a beautiful ship. It's going to be sunk in an aquarium. They've prepared a glass box with a coral reef inside, so it looks like the Titanic is sinking at the bottom of the sea, similar to its original state at the bottom of the Atlantic Ocean. Well, on one hand, it's very artistic, but on the other hand, it's a shame that such a cool ship is just a decoration in an aquarium. But wait a minute, they didn't just put it in an aquarium. This ship was also tested in a lake. This time, the mini Titanic is controlled by a remote. Wow, this is a dream come true. Imagine seeing the Titanic sailing again after more than 100 years of sinking. How epic! And speaking of the Titanic, we can't forget the tragedy that befell her in 1912. This majestic ship, touted as unsinkable, met a tragic fate after hitting an iceberg in the Atlantic Ocean. Of the more than 2,200 passengers and crew on board, only around 700 survived. The story of Titanic always gives us goosebumps, especially if we remember the passengers who tried to survive in very cold water. But with a project like this, we can at least appreciate the beauty of the Titanic and also learn about its history. This work is not just a miniature, but also a reminder of how extraordinary this ship was in its time. Well, what do you think? Is this mini Titanic ship worthy of being a decoration in an aquarium? Or is it better to model a remote control ship like the one in the lake? Write your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great content. See you in the next video. Wait, too bad the ship was sunk.